Boland again. Look at that cordon behind him. Hold him! Boland's on fire at the G in England. They are crashing down. Wow. Edge taken. Boland. Unbelievable. Knocks over the England skipper. Scotty Boland is living out his dreams at the MCG. Beats him again. And he's given him! Boland continuing on from last night's heroics. You'd expect a review. Scotty Boland can do no wrong.
You're on screen now. Stay with your decision. One away from a fifer here at the G.
Martin Wood, who's a fighter. Straight back to the ground. Scotty Boland has taken 5. The man can do no wrong in front of his home crowd. 3.1 overs. 5 for 5. And taken. Boland's got 6 at the G. Build the man a statue. What is happening here, Howie?
Boland gets his first one at the SCG.
Beautiful bowling, a loose shot from Crawley, driving on the up. He's going to make it play, isn't he? Beautiful length, just nips back, nipped a long way, but a loose shot.
Yeah, hitting on the up, a little bit loose, but gee, it's a good delivery. Really good ball.
1993 that was, the first test match in Manchester. Gone! Great catch, Smith, just before the lunch break, and Boland has 2.
Loose shot from Joe Root, outside off stump, trying to force off the back foot. Great catch, went quick and high.
Edge and through to the keeper, Scott Boland. He keeps taking wickets, and it's a big one as well. But he has to depart.
Just watching that dismissal, he was trying to get a single there, Bairstow. Again here.
So Stuart Broad, but he has another, Scott Boland.
Make that 11. Make that 11.
11 wickets in 30 overs.